How has the changing climate affected the way we grow our food? This is a question that's been on many minds lately. Climate change is no longer a distant threat, but a reality we're grappling with. Rising global temperatures and unpredictable weather patterns are shifting the paradigm of agriculture, altering the way we've been farming for centuries. But what does this mean for our food supply? To answer this question, we need to delve into personal experiences. Picture a family farm in the Midwest, a place I fondly called home, a place where the smell of damp earth after a summer rain was as familiar as my own heartbeat. But as the years rolled on, something began to change. The summer rains became less predictable. The once fertile soil, abundant with life, began to lose its vitality. The corn and wheat that my family had cultivated for generations started to wither under the scorching heat. We were farmers, yes, but we were also caretakers of the land, and we could see that the land was suffering. Our harvests dwindled, and with it, our income. We had to make hard decisions, like selling off pieces of land that had been in our family for generations, just to make ends meet. We tried to adapt, investing in new farming methods, experimenting with drought-resistant crops. But it felt like a race against time. There were nights when I would lay awake, wondering if our farm could survive, if our way of life was becoming obsolete. But there was also a growing realization. The changing weather patterns, the extreme heat waves, the unpredictable rains, it was all connected. It was not just our farm that was under threat, it was a global issue. The world was changing, and we were at the front lines. And that was my first encounter with the harsh reality of climate change. My story is not unique, it is echoed across farms worldwide. Indeed, climate change is not a distant threat, but a present reality, leaving profound imprints on our farming landscapes. Increasing temperatures, erratic rainfall, and frequent extreme weather events are reshaping the contours of agriculture. But here's the silver lining. We're not powerless. We can adapt to these changes. Climate-smart agricultural practices are the way forward. By integrating techniques like precision farming, crop diversification, and soil conservation, we can build resilient food systems. Yet, this isn't a journey we can undertake alone. Climate change knows no boundaries, and neither should our efforts to combat it. Global cooperation is essential. We need to share knowledge, resources, and technologies to ensure our collective food security. Let's not forget, we're not just farmers, we're stewards of the earth. Together, we can change the narrative from climate change victims to climate change warriors.